When I go get my man, we see a fake of an issue, but we are doing like go view. You want to win a way, we know that you want we see a fake of an issue, but we are doing like go view. You want to win a way, we know that you want you mind in office tax in Agena. Better, I will a big like I'm gonna be a woman. Hello, I will a big like I'm gonna be a woman. I'll go. Arewa, Agua Ligere. Why big boy, young winner. Let me argument, man. You may be who's argument now. Who's argument, man? It's you know. It's a Nigeria banner. It's a thing with compliment of visitors. In Webbo, a future. You want that team in the visitors in here. International Taza, international Taza. No way Tazi were Webbo. Anywhere in Nigeria. No man way. Anyone who Agua Ligere no ya fee. No Abuwa. Agua Lokuno do tono. Agua do tono. Lokuno do tono. No ya Abuwa. Gefi we rigmo. Mine we ye. Very. I 50 seconds now. New way, Friday, Mabuse. You can show on a winner, and I will call you. You can break it 10 o'clock. You can do at least 50. You can do funny 15 in case you got 4. You got 50 here now. Then you cannot disturb very. We don't got to give a winner. You may be. Well, we were the name we are winning. I see when I win, I'm a better. If we move, not by do. I don't want to fit me, no seriously, we will not damn. No seriously, by me, or must say 10. Just see time we get bomb and win again, and I'm a day. You bomb and winner. You tiny you bomb and winner, Magdalene and winner. You be me and win another. It's just boy. You are winning a year, no. We have even a him up, my duty acquire when I buy. You might be probably anyone. You know, I give me. Maybe. When he has a more serious. When I will be. Remember me where you travel there, and when you travel there, you think no way be where. Here may be there, where that war. Who will be? Here may be there. We are giving up we are giving you as no that one. Because we might not so that open up my open up be a man. Here 50 will be one in whatever way we were the bag with me. We look young who said you know. When we been here, we are okay. We are keeping confinement zone. We are doing I go here. Maybe. You see when I'm a Iranian, better. It ties in the office in Babalania. 400 by 400 meters in office in office. There's a Nigeria banner at my old age. Even a near way, a school, you better on a school, you better on. The school me ya you there. I am one another. I'm wagba ogo momo. When single mother no wicked gbera mi obi. Single mother no seti paso Odafo ka wa yi. Odafo na ga ku mi. When I walk for my working. When I la Louis, I said the single mother like where you wa. When I la Louis single mother. I said no na you where you wa. When single mother ya wicked you. Single mother ya wa ya ku. You know, going to Trinidad break. Oh, okay, for 45 or you know. 45 or you know. Maybe attitude maybe if be attitude you bear when an enemy. Oh well, the master young winner. Waliga and why we run never there on ya. We good one. Or what you should see one man, one woman. What you should see.
Don't finish. Good morning, my people. I say me will play this small video when Atiti say message go give Ajepkako. Atiti say Ajepkako no get paper again. If Atiti say me Ajepkako go work. The time when paper dey with Ajepkako no work with the paper. Now he won't work when they don't collect paper for her. He's a lazy ass man. I be. So they don't collect document for you. Document when they laugh people for social media. You not get document. So they don't collect document for your hand. Oh, lazy man. Come and cut up with him. Oh.
When on be. No, I give away. Maybe. You see, when I go get my mom. When we see a fake of funny zoom, but I do like I go here. You want to win a way, no daddy, wah, dead. You got what I go here.
The time way with a bad muffin they fight that time. He can't go the show where he know they work. He can't say they work. He they work. They don't collect the paper. Oh, Kama is real. Kama na real. Wait. Kama is real. Ajepkako, Isioluk, Odafewidon. Karma is real. You not take care of your children. See your life today now. Your life don't useless. Now. Ajepkako the saga married woman. Now, ito her Douglas. Now Ajepkako the saga now. Cloth when ito her Douglas buy for Ajepkako years back. Ajepkako bring the cloth come and say the cloth not the size again. The cloth not the size you again, useless mass. Yeah. That time when it come out, I think now with the pie the muffin they do saga that time. You don't tell now. He can't come out. He say make people come see where they work. Make una come see. Say social media president say na lie. Social media president lie. Say they work. Say they work. See now, Ajepkako. Your ex-friend, when you dey laugh that time, say he no get paper. He don't get paper, he can't go learn work. You see, he know they do babysitter for house. He go learn work, he know they do babysitter. plus one. Only 3,000 euro. Olibole. Ooh, olibole. Ooh. They say he not get paper again. How many places when they carry this man go marry? When they carry Odafewidon Isioluk, how many places when they carry and go marry? They don't carry and go Belgium go marry am. Paper no come out. They carry and go Switzerland go marry am. Paper no come out. They carry am for inside Germany marry am. Paper no come out. He don't marry for all the whole Europe country. He don't get paper. The one when his wife give am that time, they say the paper don't die. But because they bury the paper, oh, the paper when his ex-wife give am that time, they say the paper don't pafuka, very useless man. Now so their life that they end up. Oh. Now so their life that they end up. House at the bottom gree build house for Nigeria. He no gree buy land. He no take care of children. He no get wetin he can't do for this life. Only wetin at the bottom can do for this life. Make at the bottom they chop fufu. Semo, he go come out, he belle make yokbo. He belle visita, he go be like Chinese juju. He go be like Chinese oracle. See now, your ex-friend now not they work. You know, see now, all of them don't work up past you. All of them don't work up past you. Oh. All of them don't work up past you. I never chop, I not get strength to talk your matter. Now later, maybe make I check whether I will fit talk your matter tomorrow. Or later the day. May I check whether I go fit bath, make I make up. Now don't move to revamu. Don't go carry to test to your head. Now don't move to revamu. See now. All the people when they social media, all of them don't they work. Oh, no get they work. You never hear say no get they work. All of them don't go they work now. All the old men they are not working. Don't preach when you they call. Don't preach now. Don't they work. The priest they work that day. That one show where if for they work. All of them now don't they work. All the mepa, social media president. All of them they work. Ajepkako enamia Yahoo say, if they do, if they for house. Pikin don't grow now. Who you can't follow do babysitter for house now? I no can know. Who they follow do babysitter for house? The last boy now when he be they follow stay house that time. The small pikin don't start school. This small pikin don't start school, oh, my people. But I can see where a party for send message go give lazy man. The most lazy man when I never see for Benin men. All he mates when they come abroad together, all of them get events for this for Nigeria. Where they do event, all of them get time. Who get filling station, get filling station. Who get come no you not go anywhere. Oh. Who get filling station? Get filling station. Who get this thing? Hotel get hotel. And the boy namye Yahoo who say, "More when he keep his mama for orphanage home." Una no see say the man na useless man. A man when he keep his mama when no he poor say. Almost 80-something years old woman dey orphanage home. As that man come poor rich. As a the boy namye Yahoo if he come poor rich. I never see Benin man. Or the yo ya move your orphanage home. Oh, ija leru fo. Mama don't pray. Prayer don't go. Mama they pray. She pray and she pray and she pray and she pray. Better, you no gree better. He not gree better. Oh, he abandon children. But away. But away, father. See your life today. Now see the way when come and take caught up with you. They said they don't see the paper when you get for spell. So bad though. So bad, my darling. How you dey my mossy? So bad. He carry mama put for orphanage. He no fit build house for him mama. Even he say now one room with one sitting room, kitchen go there, this go there. But away useless man. Who damn they bunch away? Bunch away. I never see Benin man when he don't bunch away like this man. As they go, you know they look back. Bunch away useless man. I never chop. I won't go chop. Because if I not chop, I not they get strength to shout. When I was in my voice, now my voice, it calm. Make I chop first. As this moment now, I never eat. See, Atiti. Atiti now is now a constructor. It a construct ties. Not just the Jamie, very useless man. Ajepkako is a very useless man. I make me dislike that man. That woman when he drive at that time, the woman do well as he take driver. If not, that woman for no maker. That woman for no maker. A lazy man put lazy man for house. Any woman when put lazy man for house, that woman can never make it. Or he made go build house, that woman no go fit. Very useless man. But throw away, see come and when caught up with you now. You not take care of your children. You not build house for over 20-something years now. When you don't leave your children, house you not feel build, land you not feel buy, nothing when you feel do. Okay, the years now. Wait till you use the years they do. Ajebo, wait till you use the years they do. Uya ho hoa. Ajebo ho abama son. Oh, abuwati, wait till now they call themselves. Wait till be that name. Wait till be Ajebo. Who they give Ajebo? Then they see poor person for Ajebo. We are yet here. Wait till they call that name that time. That useless name when they give her. As they born and finish, they give her useless name. Very useless man. I don't know why. If I will say Ajebo na my brother, truly speak to my heavenly Father, that man, he go collect. I go make sure say that man, I go useless man. He was useless. I will say the lazy man, can't get lazy man as a brother. How you say Arebo? Anybody that have lazy man as a brother, that family will say Aro. A family need no go ever to a home. The woman when he carry a con. Now the same woman I still carry a junior brother con. I will say no be that woman, Ajebo with the junior brother, therefore they Nigeria today. But why tie? Oh, some say what tie ya? No, some say na they call her. No, Isioluk, Odafewidon. I have never seen a man with the right senses. He go leave his wife, go marry widow. I never see. Now this useless man had now for seeing. He leave his wife with his 2 daughters. He go marry to widow. Me I never see. He go marry dead body wife. May God not let me get this kind blood. Whether na blood that one cause you. I want to wait till one call you. May God not let me get this kind brother for life. Oh, he go marry to widow. See your life today now. See your life. Widow never pull cloth when black cloth when he wear when he take the mourn his husband. Now he can't enter. Now he make his life called useless. Most men they now. If they with their wife not there again, they will take care of children. They go make them for life. Ajebo Odafewidon, you no fit trade children. You no fit make them for life. Okay, my people. How many years now when this man dey now? This man no get waiting now when if he use his life they do. Now polo when mama buy for almost 5 years now. Now that's a polo is still they wear. Oh, I want to no one ba. Oh we yeah woo. I know I don't got dog baka. My people now so. Rosemary, I never eat. If I never eat, I know they want me and they make noise. In my area, now make a trophy, they talk small. Oh, widow, you market widow, yeah. Can a widow now, how they talk, where if for the more. And they don't let widow put the black clothes through away. And they borrow it inside dead body. I'm not allowed to dead body. See the way when dead body contain useless. He with the ghost they fuck the set toto. Dead body property. You have a wound now. If widow now, if your husband died, the woman died, you don't talk to widow. Wait till they happen he go come more the husband. Go come more your husband. So they more your husband for 1 year, so they more for 2 years. After I don't more your husband finish, all the old cloth will take more everything. You go through where. Now inside the money of the widow when he go marry. Now inside there, Ajepkako enter inside dead body. He enter inside dead body. Dead body see they stay with the if as the woman they more his husband. The man go come follow the woman sit down. Ajepkako with spirit with the woman when her husband die. Ajepkako they inside two people. Ajepkako now come make him to be third person. Now make him he no feel better. Now make Ajepkako no feel better. Many men they're not there with their wife again, but they take off their children. They do things, go back home. Ajepkako no fit do anything, go back home. And only Ajepkako I see for Binima, Ajepkako they cry, you cry. Now only Ajepkako I see for Binima. When they congratulate the fellow man. Oh, what the music is. Ajepkako, no gay. Oh, you never. Oh, God the heaven. I make him yeah. I never see Binima like this. So, Binima go just sit down. He go come just congratulate he mate every day by day. Binima no zuwa. That Binima de zuwa. Wayalare edo, wayalare na do celebrate Papa Wala. Evi na gbonge ketegbe, oye khere. Ajepkako wazuwa, ide pay me o. Ide pay me o. People, may we follow and cry. Since you don't get sisters when they want follow and cry, may we follow and cry. Since I don't tell this man, say wake up. This man no gree wake up. Oh, walk your imi. Walk your imi. My pupo. I don't tire my belly to pay me. I want go shop. Now so, he can't follow spirit demon no Rosemary. Woman the money husband when he die. Ajepkako just run enter inside the money time. The woman no bath, throw away cloth when he take money husband. Nothing. Ajepkako na worry. Oh, now make Ajepkako no come better again. Oh, he never. Oh, waiting be the man. Now the man spirit they come the worry as well. Rosemary, I don't get power to laugh. I beg you, leave me alone. I don't just want to read comments. I don't get power. My belly they pay me. Hi. Bini me. When they celebrate a fellow man. Or as a man, you go just put congratulations, come out. You know, go come on live video. I worry 50,000. I worry na gebo no more zuo. I gebo wa zuo. I will wear 100,000. Go and celebrate this my hotel for your platform. Ajepkako go sit down. They celebrate his fellow man. Oh, wayalare do, wayalare ma do celebrate Papa Wala. Eminu wage kadagbe. Oye khere. You go to celebrate Papa Wala. You go to celebrate skin mignon. Oh. You go to celebrate Chris Brown. Oh. Oh, sorrow he made now you don't get paper again for Europe. Or what they say quoi? Europe. Or you may don't get passport. Or at the Bombay don't renew passport second time. Or Odafewidon they don't renew their passport second time. He become a useless man. A ban. Now Ajepkako, they will see they renew 1 year for Ajepkako after 30 years for Europe. Hi. Where I answer for this man matter? The matter not they let me talk again. Where I answer for this man matter? This man, they celebrate a fellow man. This man they celebrate me when hey, if man now, each man go open hotel for Benin or for Lagos, this useless man go come celebrate am. Benin man now go open hotel for Benin or for Lagos. This useless Ajepkako go come celebrate am. He were to any way they dig. It be like they pay me. Oh, walking a gui no man for walk head there. Oh, wow, we brocos of pig. You do go back like a kiele there. Not be let on the color. You do go back like a let the procos. Oh, we are not what useless. Hey, I don't know how this woman take they manage this man. Women they suffer. You know, this man, he go they flush toilet. You know they pay water bill. This man go they use microwave till they want food. You know they pay water you know they pay light bill. This man go they use gas till they cook. You know they pay gas bill. These women, how now they do this thing? I no fit. Oh, Matty. I will just die. I will just buy carry liability man put for house. Now so belle come full. See one kind home when they inside belle. That one I never. I don't know whether that one I never. We are not celebrating. Why? Have you ever seen a fellow man go they celebrate? Oh, I got to talk about music. Your one, big. I say now your fellow men, you they celebrate like this. What's that? Go and do it down. Use this thing for that third one. The something is too hot now. Wait, I think I did that. I'm live. Use the DC to do one. Okay. You know, now the something is too hot. You know, you're supposed to know. Anytime you use that something, you must blow alarm. And they can't make a do one well. Now the one we get downstairs, and they blow so. My people, not no vessel. Now, something now my daughter they do. It's something too hot. You know, say when it's too hot, you go they blow alarm. Yeah. Oh. I go also say ha. Yeah. I go to say ha. A fellow man like this, they celebrate waiting. What soon now? Oh, useless this man like this. Useless and I'm near your like this. Hi, oh God. Try. Oh, in the ballad de peneke bang. Make a laugh once more. You want what you job, you got in your. Oh. Ow. Ew. My poopo. My poopo. My poopo. I still there another commute. As I tell you, so I get where they go later. read the message. The message when they say go give her. Now, if fellow man send this message, so but we call listen to a party. Adorenuwa. You know, she said my husband don't they work. Me, I don't like make una see my face. Don't sit there when I don't see my face. Me, I feel on. Why this is no one on? I thought I would order another one. Quick one, another one. Oh, you may I got it small. You make me your for here. My poopo. Oh. Huh? My poopo. I don't dey cry, person cry. Make una go help us cry. Gonna go help us cry. Oh, I am. Me my honey can't dey talk. I am. Now message not be we send the message, but now we be the message. Vaya tahe. Can't cry. I am.
Who's arguing now? Who's arguing now? You know. It's a Nigeria banner. It's a thing with compliment, but it's a tie.
Area one no man. Why you come like
you know that even that 50 ties in here. International ties are me.
Oh,
international ties
are. International ties are.
Anywhere in Nigeria. You mind. Anyone who agwali there no ya fi. No abukwa. Agwalo kuno odo tono.
I don't sleep with my husband. Hey, party. I am sleeping with you. Hey.
I fit to say that now. New way Friday, my boss say. You can show on our winner. You know what you can do. You can break it 10 o'clock.
I have one. I stop. I stop. I do. I want vibe now. Where do you wish? Body why that home.
You can do at least 50. You can do funny 15 in case you have 4. You have 50 here now. No, you cannot disturb better. Really? We don't got to give it winner. You may be. Well, we were doing now. We are winning. I see when I win. I'm better.
Years back, a party, he come cry, come and say that a party Murphy de Sagara. He can't tell party Murphy say, see where they walk, oh, You know they walk, oh. He can't lie. You know, there is one video when he do. He can't they lie. I said this man, I made this man no go better. He said this is when he they talk so for that lady, he told her Douglas. He said this is when they talk so. He said if not lie, make God seize the breath. Or when we etana ami ore no salo bari here. I said Jesus Christ. This one can't lie. I don't know. Oh, I said Jesus Christ. This one will pull life from my body. As I don't find it so me bellissimo. I never baffle. He can't say me. I can't screenshot myself. Can't go give her. Poor man. Hey, my head can't. But I carry food. Come here just now. Where the food? I said Jesus Christ. You, me. Hey, me. Carry waity. I want use you to lazy man. You don't carry prick. You don't carry money. Naughty. You just dey house. You just dey chop. He come to say, you see this thing, I'm here who else no fit afford this thing. It's not working. Cannot afford this one. When you are not working in Europe, you not go fit afford this thing. Amiya wefe no go fit afford this one. Amiya wefe cannot afford 1 cent. The lowest money for Europe, 1 cent. As I said, they see 1 naira. Naira cent. Amiya will not go fit. Because why? Amiya will not they work. But I tell Amiya will say the bank when he get for Europe, make sure it bankomat. But make sure it bankomat jet to jet. As money they enter a bankomat, no. Now let 20 naira when they give her 20 naira for Nigeria, 20,000. Ha! This man way they celebrate a fellow man. Oh, what total. My head go just dey hot. As my brother go sit down. They celebrate a fellow man. Hi, God forbid. I'll tell my brother, no, God forbid. God forbid. I rebuke it. I will be on one uki. Wait, first. Where economic bagwe.
I can't tell they say it one talk what happened to this shirt. You know?
My house.
I can't tell they say it one talk what happened to this shirt. You know kind of who can na gani wari la jana kan. It one Douglas na know that or however make boy will why. Make boy will do it.
See how useless you are. Oh, what that t-shirt is because you were not having, you not get money to buy t-shirt. Where? When we go now do more region, I say when my man, now woman buy t-shirt, he buy and give you that t-shirt, and you must pay the money. The time when that woman, because they do am about they follow that woman. Now that woman go buy ticket for her. If the woman say they go Nigeria, go tell the woman say he go still go. Now so the woman tell they buy ticket for her mo. The ticket. Now, since when the woman was a supporter of the useless orphanage home. Now that woman, I ain't get that orphanage home that time. People, when they put money for that orphanage home that time, the people now the woman friend. The woman friend, and then they put money for that orphanage home. Since the woman remove her for the orphanage home money or bail. Now 3 children with their mama, their grandmother, night all day. And the orphanage home, that home not be orphanage home, oh. Not be orphanage home. Now family house, now it be. They say get one of his brother, big sister, when he die, leave children. Now his children, they there with Ajepkako mama. Now this man sit down. You say, you they say message, come give lovely. You they craze. Come here, I blend you. Who give any man we winner? Because they show me say, hey, lovely, you got this tea. You got gold. I say, see this one. Me, I get gold. My gold full inside house. Because I don't call they use and they do. Our original gold now get. And they use gold with diamond. Gold with diamond now they use. You they crazy. This will be your mate. When I was about Shanghai boy, you don't feel waka follow fellow men like you see the way when you see the way when you take useless now. See the way when you take useless. Now they say your document now. OT law, you don't go. Your document don't go. Failure. Ooh, you are a failure. God forbid. This person, if you get as a brother or what for a family ni or now mondion a family if it be a mondion or mukbaze for mukbaze, that family is useless. A family ni is useless. Ayo. People matter me long keep your is my poor. He can't pay me. I can't my poor. Hi. I don't know what it. I know this woman when they spay when carry this man. Enter fly carry and come Europe. That woman, I blame her. You can say, na flight at enter Europe. Na flight at enter Europe. You know the shame. Shameless goat. Useless goat. Come for yourself.
I me oje gbe guna Douglas. Douglas, they told her where do my me guna Zara yang me your Zara. Zara. Exactly.
I will be. Person buy take 2. Take 2. Pay 1. He give you 1. The remaining 1 he give person for Nigeria. This shirt when you they talk so 1 person they wear them for Nigeria also. Mapupo. Take one, buy two. Ekeniana says, take one and take two, pay for one. He give you one. He put his remaining one, put on for luggage. He got dash person for Africa. Hey, Ozuona. Ozuo. You want to make a married woman follow you wear the same cloth. You wear you for her like houseboy. Yeah, you be houseboy to that woman. That woman are your mates. That woman are your mates. Ties when dead that woman house, the day when he show his house, when Sister Meg show his house. Ties when dead that woman copan. 20 years time, Ajepkako no fit floor that floor. Ajepkako, if you fit floor that floor, make I kiss Chris. You no go fit floor. You know what to be women. Women they chest. Ozuo. I don't want to speak for my phone. I thought tell you say phone.
When it want do time it don't praise no can so we be
oh well mama me regret love the woman this is the woman want follow on they play poverty love oh in there oh okay baby oh Helen my darling how you dey good morning how your family now one useless man when woman buy t-shirt for, take two, pay for one. Zara, when Zara don't they says, take two, pay for one. As he buy the t-shirt finish, he give her the ball one. The woman give the remaining t-shirt, he give her to person for Nigeria. Now the boy they cry for the t-shirt, so.
Your permit, they don't praise no.
You know see the day when that woman go Enoge wedding. When mommy only Enoge wedding. You not see the woman for Enoge wedding. You know they hear me. I don't want to shout. You know see the woman. Now your mate. Ow. So they say, when are you want why you are my babe? So they say me they use na take do Pikin. Now see the piece for person body. You not see the woman for Enoge wedding. When my no damn house help, house boy, no more that way, house boy, no ya like we bo. Now so house boy now you they do. Make you to have Douglas, never a boo, a quemo, damn, no curono yilawa. As many people talk, oh, no curono yilawa. And the women or avec him, I can see the way when this useless man, when he made the build hotel for Bini, build hotel for Lagos, build hotel for Abuja, no, I can see t-shirt na ya water. T-shirt when they say, when they say 2020, agbelekwa, when I call them 2020, oh, in the oh, I can't buy me. Oh, I'm a baby. Oh, I'm a baby. Ow! T-shirt, oh, sorry, poverty sticking ma. That they buy this thing, Louis Vuitton. Women they buy Louis Vuitton for men. Na Zara, Louis Vuitton. I got my Louis Vuitton. I want buy Louis Vuitton. Now Louis Vuitton I like on the night. This one they shout on Zara. Small children now they dress with Zara. Children 15 years, 12 years. Now they use Zara. Children when they go school. Now it's for children. Zara is for children. Zara now for children. Your maid they wear D&G. That is Jojo Amani. My people I don't fence. I don't fence. This guy don't use poverty to fence me. He use poverty to fence me. Oh, poor man. And he never. You can't buy me. But let they told me. My brother said, where yo. Ama where yo. Achuku where yo. Person go see the way for this one. Say my brother there, bro. My brother will buy car for me. Oh well, yeah, me. Awe, no mujahe. And the boy na me Yahoo say, oh, well, can I hear me? Shoe when the woman buy for at that time, Zara shoe, all those things. He can't show me, say me, I can't see mosquito. You go fit buy mosquito. Huh? Mosquito, you go fit buy, huh? Now inside internet I day. You go fit buy mosquito. Slippers, 250, 300, the lowest price. Talk like say now the shoe of 800 euro, now you won't fit buy. Now mean they can't tell Maka. You know not say there's a Maka around there. Why I can't Maka marry? You know why not they follow na they do nyan hayanga? Because I don't think follow na they do nyan hayanga. You know? Oh, I know I can't show me eat. I dey chop okabiza when I work it at your now him and why challenge. Hey bolo as okabiza we. Huh? Yeah. We both got the way they take one. I know. Now I don't know. Oh, they cry for t-shirt.
On your fight permit, the doctor is annoying. Nick,
On the question them woman. The priest is crying that he is poor. The priest they cry say he poor, he won't rich. Now they come the priest for nyaga nyaga. When my head the don priest is here. When my head done the priest say, hey, why ain't belly hotel? And don priest they cry may rich. For your mind say if don priest say say if he change his life today, say now people like you now he want follow whole hand. Carry don priest now, carry a rich man house. Don priest, if you dey come out, don priest not go follow you waka come out. Let wepa. He go discharge you. Don priest go even raw package for your head. You mumu, not they call don priest. That one they cry say he poor. Don priest is not crying. Boamu be don priest in our hotel do. Uwe ki selu abi ki oba. Abi de ki no ki eva eke. Is it not eva eke market? Ana mwebo ana mugbe don priest. Ne don priest ya pok no sto. Issue no ma kain. E don priest pok nose. Only nya don priest di kwon. You not see don priest for Facebook now. The day when I see don priest I say oh yeah ba. Oh now I kid that dry nya. Are they hungry? If I they hungry, my eye, you got the way when they do me. I want to feel resist food because na me bio oh me mama one official land. They because they talk to me, many mama bay. Oh me mama. You where no jakra akra. Oh ne. Ya you pon kare webo. Ya lo da ye mi na. Ya biegi okpeana. E wo bidan. Which talk you talk? Daughter no wear tie. This man, he can't fit say he talk. He can't fit say he talk. Okay, you're a town. Boy, you know they talk. You too poor. Oh, this poverty of this man. Oh my God. The poverty, they make me be like, say, it they affect me. Your poverty, they affect person. How can they man? Oh God. Or I say Nigeria, or in Nigeria, he's homeless. In abroad, he is homeless. Oh, hey. That they say I get passport, I don't use that they go anywhere. A whole citizen of Netherlands. A whole citizen of Netherlands. Netherlands. Oh, this man poverty, they provoke me. Oh, he never. My people. See, this one they chase me. Oh, shit, man. What the fuck? Ha! This man, since when this man don't enter, bro, this man never, he go count 5 million naira. Now, so my darling Rosemary, just 5 million naira. Oh, when I went about 5 million, just 1 million. Because they talk to me here. Me when they chest house for Bini. Now, as I put for Bini at the chest, now don't be say the house big go. On my phone, I don't tire for the house. I don't tire for the house. oyime edo me mo wa fieva ni ifun egberi wo me. Now this one come they talk to me. On a normal 1 million naira. Only 8,000 euro. 8,000 euro. When he makes, they carry go Nigeria, go to buy land. They give her to a man, a fellow man like this idiot man. Give this man 8 million naira, make carry go Nigeria. As he reach Nigeria, he thief 3,000 euro for inside. 3,000 euro when he be say, I think they buy gold put for neck. Now this man. Ow! Iyo! I want him to come with it. Ow! Ow! I can't buy me. My belly, this man matter, He scatter my moral. He kill the little, patient when I get. You guys, I don't patient when I do this man video. It's somehow so ridiculous. Huh? Oh, I got Don't Prince go save you for this one. What you concern Don't Prince concern? What you concern to Pikin concern foul? Huh? Foul get it. What you concern Don't Prince concern you? Maybe now. Don't Prince, I think Don't Prince always, Don't Prince always there with Itohan Douglas, something like that. Maybe Don't Prince now they talk for Itohan Douglas now favor. Now I make can do this thing. I can't mention Don't Prince. Kukuma the Don't Prince where you they mention. Don't Prince want to reach. Don't Prince want rich. Don't Prince don't want to be a poor man. Only give so. You know they hear me. You know they hear me. You know they hear me. Now that one, not the day. Oh, I can't believe. You know, so the day when Thomas Douglas go, and not get wedding, autobasis. You know, see, Madam Douglas, you know, see on autobasis. Well, I'm your autobasis. Autobasis, you will like, 2024, autobasis, and I answer autobasis, and answer. Well, mommy, Thomas Douglas, you ever. And the women no rabeki. With Thomas Douglas now your mate. If not be say, person go say, no make it constantly help you. And Thomas Douglas when he help you where? The time when you they do boy, they carry back follow Thomas Douglas. You be not leave this woman when you follow their house. The woman, what did the woman do? The woman look everywhere. You know, she want cry, go meet. The woman go cry, go meet. Who what here? Social media president. A new tier. The woman go cry, go meet her. We will find out this thing now. I'll check now whether I will see social media president. I don't even wish social media president happy New Year. Then now I want to go carry problem, go meet her. Because I wish her happy New Year. I don't know. Wait. Before I will go meet her, I'll first wish her happy New Year. Every year they wish happy New Year. I will wish her happy New Year this year. I've been nice for me. I've been missing for I don't know. Before I will go ask her that record. I'll first wish her happy New Year. Say, pa, happy New Year. We know the way we take the hater. We know that the hater. Come and listen to yourself. It will be done. Ozuo. You want to talk with my mata and I don't get monzo. Man we not get 6-pack. Why you now? Akpasoko na hina. This one akpasoko na. You not get 6-pack. Akpasoko. My sister caller say yesterday, you know there our video. Rosemary. Sister caller say, this one sister caller say, he gets more prick. Now we got to say, if you put condom, if he enter woman, if he do, say me do again, he go leave condom for inside toto. And the more prick, they leave condom for inside toto. And also he prick small barrel, we got me. I be giant. Don't say my head big. I head big. You other robot no seven. Can they say me? So you are interested in me? Say I take my picture, come give you. I decrease, I drink ogogoro. I don't see rich men. Open my body, take the picture, go give rich men. You poor man. Oh, Otapa, ina yo bawo kiti na yo kesan. Ah, nya me mu poor ma, warelu. Aya. Eh.
Ogun afọ na another way to that Ajebo do tema ta ahwe. Ajebo umieme 5,000 euro. O do to ni.
He not even they come. The woman not they mind you. The woman just keep mute. Because the woman know that you are a lazy ass man. You are a man that is looking for who go help you. That day, that woman when they London. Not only 20,000. Now he just say take 20. Say take 20,000. Go insult Lovely. When they follow you, you can't touch me with one hand, eh? Can't rub the body, shame my disgrace, you can collect. You know, if you want to deal with poor man, you go get the confidence. This one. The day when you reach after that, but call me. Where if you see me for ground, eh, you'll say, this one are lovely. If you talk to me, keep puncher, see, yeah, I keep betting well. If the day when you reach Kwaku, they will do Kwaku this year. Tell me, I go dress way for you. Make we meet for Kwaku Day. I go gather Igbo me put for your head. Yeah, gather Igbo me, gather Igbo me, Igbo me, gather everyone no say. I beg is on fire. If I say make I gather beneath with Tishana, they feel pity for you. Now Igbo men now go gather for your head. And they call that Kwaku. Yeah, mwe ki wax about no bane baby let down do kilometer. You see this Netherlands when I did. I be King Pikin. You know what I say? I be King Pikin. Very soon I will do a birthday. Foolish man. Anytime. Oh! This kind of man, I don't even like this kind of man. He not tall, naughty, not get prick. Only way he get belly. Not get hair for chest. He not get hair for nipple. Not say make they get hair for nipple. He not get. If you don't like that for this one body, you'll be like person way like that for this body catfish. This one are catfish. Me oh. No, me I not dey too much like catfish like that. To use and can't do pepper soup. Okay, akun. Me oh. It be like catfish. No hair, nothing. That's other fish now, they scrape on. This one, if you scrape this one, nothing go come out for this one body. Eto would do. You don't get 6 pack. You don't get belly. Sister Carla say you know if you do monkey style. I want to do monkey style. Belly go the touch ash. Prick no go fit enter to again. Oh, that woman she's suffering. The woman is suffering for sex. The woman needs sex. The woman needs sex. My people. This one are wow. How can me go carry a man like this? You don't get hair. Hair they treat me out. They do like this, honey. That hair that they treat me. You don't get hair. Hey! If you call like that top of my body, you will call them me on go down. Nothing. Oh, that widow, they try. Oh, that widow when you marry, they try. Oh, sister, ebezina. That sister not they enjoy. Oh, sister not they enjoy. Don't say the way the sister can't take fat. Conji food the woman body. Conji that what my sister. Not my auntie now. Conji food my auntie body. You know say man when you get this thing, your wife will not go fat. Okpa no when care, your wife will come fat. Where? When you go they give her. You go they give her all the time. You go be like say that they do this thing. Palestra, gin, go they give her. The woman not go fat. Sweat what they come up for. But if you see that woman, if you do that, eat there with that woman for us. Now if you do that woman not terere, they go say, country food the woman body. It be like catfish. Wait till the catfish now. If you don't carry cat, you can cook catfish for 1 minute. Be like if I buy catfish, my darling Rosemary. Everything after they wash catfish, I will use salt, I will use tomatoes, I will use lime. I won't make that body may not they make me again. But they be like catfish. I don't know. This one you can't sleep. This one, if you sleep for a body like the orakun, they go down, they sleep, they sleep off. Kind of catfish now. This one are catfish. This one, if you don't blow that belly, Pooh! What the go? You don't the stagger they go. If you rock wherever. No sense, nothing days. Oh, that man is a senseless man. Now I make him, he no fit make him. A man will not get wisdom. Eh? They hard down to better for life. Where am weko? In net where they take the cash fish where they wear. Net. I'm when net in you can see never will come po. In never, eh? Odabu ho. Now this woman you dey try that woman I give you the woman so sorry the woman they try now they talk to it on a Douglas they can say he want to help you watch no, Rosemary, it's too big. How many lamb you won't buy take washer? How many lime? It's too big now. You know how much it was? A bag of lime now, It's almost this thing. So bad. Too poor. See my love. Okay. How you dey love? I think say whether not the second one where it dey make match well, almost not the same thing. Be like say now that one I still patient. How you dey love? Where they say my brother be my sister? Well, Rosemary, how? He must say this man. How many lime you want buy when you go take washer? Where you go fit get the taste? This one, what did this one they smell? Deodorants. This one they smell now. Armpit roll-ons. You go use a raw boy body. This one they smell. Oh my God! Because they tell me say, lovely can take a picture. So funny. When one go put cloth, blue, Armani blue, perfume. Oh, in okay, you they sent the singlet. Oh, where man go sleep put like this on top of this pillow. Come set my pillow now. It they sent Versace. You come set like this. Yo, deodorant me. You man. I got they sent deodorant. Deodorant no deodorant. You don't need to they sent deodorant. Now when man go put cloth, this cloth now, this is they sent for this cloth now. Versace. Now I spray for this cloth when I Versace. Now yesterday, I wear this cloth. I will spray perfume. They sent Versace. You na deodorant. And the deodorant way is still they use. No be better one. No be Dove. You no fit buy Dove. You no fit buy Nife. All those back along where our sister wants money that they buy Nife for her. Body spray. You know that man get body spray. Toilet this thing. Spray. Money get toilet spray. And this is when they use. They see Miyaki. He gets toilet spray. Lara Bajotti. He gets toilet spray. He called it talk to me. The perfume when they use. I don't use Lara Bajotti more than 20-something years. All I don't whenever now. Oh, welcome, my darling. Now, this useless man, when one woman put for house for Germany, if all he made it from Spain, they go Canada, America, London, that is United Kingdom. He come from Spain, put clothes for nylon bag. He come Germany to see how poor he is. Any man when come from Spain, he go Germany. That man a poor man. Men when he come from Spain, go Canada. Now those men get vision for their life. See?
Bro, very local
man, very local. I was yeah, very local. This man is so fucking local. Local, babe. Oh, please, Lord. May I lower my darling. May I lower that woman. Now, this thing, October 6. You don't see the woman for October 6. When they don't get do in marriage, October 6. You don't see this woman for October 6. Yeah. Oh, see the woman. You see the woman. Yeah. You see Mama. October 6. But why do you off my lights now?
It's automatically. What's going on?
See ya. It's a low life man. That is a low life man. No, I don't want to talk. Say it. No. It's a low life man. The man, he was married in Spain. Then he's a low life man. The man, he don't want to work, staying at home, busy.
A bitch. Like my son.
I says a
You
bitch.
don't call that kind of people low life. They're bitches.
Bitches.
You act like a bitch, so I call you a bitch.
Hey, mommy, please.
You don't want my wahala today.
Okay, that's speaking pidgin English. Oh yeah.
You people are not ready for wahala. If I come and bring wahala for you people,
What?
Scatter.
Why did they off my lights now?
Let me off. I'm talking.
No, don't off my lights.
Do they have to see you?
Yeah.
For what?
The man, you know what? The man, somebody brought the man all the way from Nigeria to Spain. All the way from Nigeria to Spain. Then, I think they have 2 children, girls, 2 girls. Then the man was a lazy man. He don't want to work. He don't want to do anything. Then he have problem with his ex-wife. Then the ex-wife chased him away.
Yeah, that is right.
It's right. Yeah, that's right.
You want to act like a bitch? Go outside and be a bitch.
Oh my God. Give me
No,
five.
it's just simple. You know, we have to be honest to each other.
Yeah.
And that's life.
Now, do you know how old those children is? I think they are 25 years now. Big girls.
Older than me.
Yeah, big girls.
Uh,
This man abandoned those girls. He never take care of those girls. Just common pampers. He never take care of those children.
oh, yeah, that's good.
Now, Kama caught up with him.
Why?
Because he never take care of his children.
But what is the karma? I want to know the
Now, he's a poor man.
Mm.
He don't have a house. He has spent almost 30 years in Europe.
30, 30.
30 years.
Not 1, 3.
30 years. 30.
That's
Now,
real.
he has no document. When all his may have passport.
Oh, he's made that bad house in Europe. Why are you talking about passport?
Thank you.
Passport at the right, one time ago.
Oh my God. Huh.
This is what we call abomination. Like literally abomination. Sorry. You guys understand what I'm saying? Yeah, I said this is what we call abomination.
He don't break out. He don't break the English down.
You have the UK English and then you have the British English, so I have to say it in both ways. I say you have UK English, you have PG English. I have to say it both ways.
Oh, it's abomination.
That's abomination.
Then the girls, they are big girls now, eh?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
They look very nice. And then
Yeah, they look good because their mother is.
The mother is perfect. The
Wow.
mother did right.
Yeah.
Kick the man
The woman
out.
have passport. They have a Spain passport. It's abomination.
Kick the man out. The woman did right.
Okay.
You kick that man out. If you kick it, then go back. If it's Mars, it's good. Let it go to Mars. As long as you kick him out of the house.
Okay.
Which is kind of rubbish. Why do men do that?
Do you know, he got married. Titi, did you know that the man got married to widow?
The widow, yeah.
Yeah, he left his wife and got married to a widow.
Oh,
What's that for?
that's crazy.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's your life. Enjoy your life.
Now he got married to a widow, and the widow have one daughter. I think he have a child with the widow now, because most people, they are saying that the child is not for him, that is from another person. But the widow have child before her husband late. Now he take care of the widow child, and he abandon his own
Yeah,
children.
It's bad like that. That's why I call them a bitch. They go and take care of another person's children outside, and then they leave their own inside.
Oh.
But they look good, right?
Eh?
Okay, the kids look good.
Yeah, the kids look
At
good.
the end of the day,
The kids are doing well for
their.
themselves now.
Yeah,
Yeah, because I think somebody said that. Somebody said that the children now, I think they finished their university, or they are still maybe few years now. They will be done with their school.
Yeah, that's good. God bless them already.
And now
the mother is an angel. God bless the mother too. Good that you kicked that man out.
Now the man now is nothing. He's staying at home. Do you know this man don't pay bills? He don't pay electric bill, he don't pay gas, he don't pay water bill, he don't pay house rent. And where he's living, he has no address. This man is a fucked up man.
No, that is not a man. Again, it's a fucked up bitch.
It's a fucked up bitch.
Yeah, because men, you can't. If you're calling him a man, you are disrespecting the real men that work and do their job and all that kind of stuff. What he's doing is acting like a lady.
Yeah, he's acting like a lady, staying at home.
What did I say?
Okay. The woman that he got married to now, the woman will left home every morning and go to work. Then he will be at home, warming food, he will warm okra soup. He will warm, what do you call it?
He will throw a bag on his own. He will ask, he will call him like, crayfish daddy soup. If you don't come, I beg, big crayfish come, I make stew.
Oh my God!
No.
Did you see? It's good for a man to take care of his children. Any man when not afford to take care of his children, the man is a useless man.
And God has punished you for it.
Yeah, did you know what happened? There is a day, there is one video that he blocked one day. This man is a very stupid man. Did you know his son? I don't know if it's the biological father of that child. Then they sit down. I think the little guy, I think the mother paid for the pizza. The mother used her bankomat to pay for the pizza. She ordered pizza. And the little boy know that he's the mother that paid for that pizza. When the man want to eat the pizza, did you know what the guy said? The little guy. The guy said, "Why are you eating it for my mommy? It's my mommy that paid for it."
European children, I know, they have a sick mouth. They're going to tell you the truth.
So they have sick mouth.
You don't know, but that is true. Like European kids, when you ask them shit, they're going to tell you the truth.
So when I see that video, I said, what kind of disgrace is this? And that child know that the father is a lazy ass man.
And that woman married, the widow is a stupid woman too, because now you're showing your son how to be a man. And that's not how to be a man. Because now we think that is how to be a man, staying home and doing this work.
Give me...
Nigerian people are like this.
Not all.
Almost
okay, and that little child now is learning from...
the man. And
Who is showing the little child now? The mother. Can you go back to that?
No, I said the mother is also a stupid lady, to be honest. No disrespect.
Yeah.
She's stupid because he's going to think that is normal what he's doing. Staying home, eating from other people's food, and then the woman is working. But that's not normal.
And he's not putting good something in that little child now.
And especially when you are growing up, everything you see, that's what you think is good. So now he's seeing that, he'll be like, oh, okay, it's normal.
Okay, can that child grow up like that now? Maybe one day he's going to stay home the way the father is staying at home.
Because it's the influence you see. That's how you.
That's the influence you see in the family. Because anytime they go out, the mother always peeing because the man is not working. Come on, we'll finish.
So
yeah, it's not good. Those people, they need to get up from their sleep. What kind of bullshit is this? And the man is so local. Do you know what the man normally do? See, do you know what? Tell you something. The day I shut the man up, do you know what he says to me? He just want to fool himself. You know, okay, maybe he wants someone like me. You know, I don't date broke ass men. What am I gonna do with broke ass men?
We don't date broke ass niggas in this place. Come on now.
Do you know what he said? He just bring a photo out. Yeah, he didn't show he didn't show face, he didn't show anything. He said that, look, I sent my picture to him.
Hey!
Oh my God!
That is like the biggest lie. You haven't even sent your picture to me. Talk less to another person outside of me. Sometimes I'll be like, "Can you send me a picture?" You'll be like, "No." So why would you send it outside? Why?
No, he just want. I don't know. What are you feeling? You just want to tell people, oh, that I'm a big girl. You know, and be like saying they crush on me. It's like he's crushing on me.
But
You
can
know,
people small perfume that is there? Can you pay that for her?
time you can't pay. Give me one for them. Make a show whether you feel pay.
This one wants something.
I don't know. See, you're not gonna feel pay for this one.
Something.
You're not gonna feel pay.
Yeah, that one wants something again.
See, you're not gonna feel pay. You know. See, did you know what the one he was fooling himself?
Another one something.
Yeah, see, you see, 1 in a million.
Don't do that with us. Don't even start.
Man, don't.
Another one. No.
It's okay.
Another one.
I see me, Yankee.
Okay. Don't play with us.
And I haven't said that it's coming today or
And
tomorrow.
Today or tomorrow, you still have a new one, and I ordered a gift for you.
Oh,
I
you know,
ordered a
they're
big
Chris.
one. You will like it. I ordered, how do you call it?
What's that? Oh,
How do you call it? Lace. I ordered lace for you.
okay.
It's coming, I think, maybe
Okay,
today or tomorrow.
Okay, they will bring it today. Thank God, say we could see her. I order, this is when I order my ashoke. I got to say I don't see the ashoke never come. I don't know, say they bring this thing come for us. Not say that they carry out, they come for Nigeria. I know.
So you have to pay some.
Yeah, I have to pay some money before they will bring and come. I don't know, the envelope, the another envelope come cover am. I think you have helped me to.
Yeah, but pay it.
Okay. You know, I lose this one. This one fit buy my human hair. Fit buy my human hair. Did you know what the man did one certain time? He said I should come and see gold. He said, lovely, do you have this kind of gold? I said, bullshit. You dey Chris?
They're good at the bad AliExpress. They'll come live, they'll be saying it's good.
Okay.
And I want to say something. You Nigerian people stay on Facebook side. I don't want to have you guys on TikTok.
They are there now.
Yeah, they'll be shouting, this is legal. You'll be hearing point. Wait. They'll come, they'll be shouting, this is good. This is good. But when the God is touching, so that do this. So this is not even good, sir.
My daughter tell me one day, mommy. I said, mommy, what do you see in gold? Why all the time gold?
People don't wear gold. And then after they remove it, all their body is green.
All their body is green because it's I don't condemn.
It's one way, AliExpress. Guys, you can't compete with us. Come on now.
I don't know.
No.
How you make 3 children for school? Maybe now, the children will not train, not those children now, they don't they work now. Right, the children don't they ride car now. If they for house for them, they take care of, they do babysitter. Do a babysitter for another person's child.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
They can't compete with us.
I'm
I'm gonna put some gas in my car.
You are going.
Yeah, I'm going. So I'm
Where are you
back
going?
later. I'm going to my friend.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna chill. This week was a chill week. I didn't do shit. I didn't work, and I'm good. And I get paid. See?
Well, come again.
Ding, 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 ding,
Come
ding.
again.
I said this week I didn't do shit. I didn't work. I didn't do anything. But I still get paid. Ding, 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 ding. Clock. What do you say? Clock that tea.
Clock.
Clock that tea.
Don't
You see?
be a nigga, man.
But I'm a rich dude.
You're a rich babe. You talk to me because they say lovely, not they travel. May I leave my children, they walk up and down for streets.
It's not even sweet to travel without the
Do you know how much this my baby went there? Do you know how much is worth?
Me,
I can't.
let me just say, I think. What I think.
Don't talk.
70K.
Don't talk. Person when you call it the it's then 9,000 euro now. Now they crazy.
Who is the 9,000 euros? How many parts now?
90,000 euro.
Oh, wow.
90.
9,000.
I don't got this money for the account.
That's the down. That's the. Why you want to keep? You have the card, the GP. That's the problem.
Me, I want go. They go withdraw money.
But if you know that if you remove money a long time ago, I wouldn't know.
You would do
I
now.
wouldn't know.
Wow.
Because I don't look at the account every
Because
time.
I'm not a thief.
No, but even though you took money out of it, I wouldn't even know if you took money out of it because I don't even know how much is there.
You know what I do now? Now go that they carry and go buy. If I already are up in a macan.
Just if it's 2,000 euros.
Leave that little man not enter my eye. Leave there.
2K, 1,000 euros. I'm not gonna die. I bought a car of almost 40K. What are you talking about?
They talk. My Pikin, you know how much car they use? 40,000 euro car.
Almost. Come on now.
You want to? I will say that camera can't
I
face
know
your.
it's not there.
They'll come see your big boobo.
You call it BBL.
You do BBL. My Pikin don't do BBL.
If you tell them that, they will shout.
God forbid. My Pikin get your ass. You get your own axe.
No, but
Your
I'll
own
put
boo-boo.
this.
No, boo-boo, not ass. Boo-boo is here. Ass is where they poo.
I don't even need the big ass. If I remove this, it's okay.
Okay. You see, Oga? Come, you dey come dey talk to me. She says I want to insult you, and my pikin will tell you insult you.
We don't even insult.
Yeah, we
just
don't.
say what we have, and then you're gonna shut up.
Okay, you have returned then. You go, shut up, nigga. Shut up, nigga. Shut up, nigga. You know
But we
what?
don't insult, guys.
Which one?
If you want help, come to me. You call me. I can even give you my number.
Make it go work. It's not working.
Yeah, I can even bring it. You can work for me if you want.
There's another one here.
What again?
That one is working. That one sent a message to him. Send money. The man said he said make it go work. See another one. This one is working. See. This one is working. This one is a type flop.
That's get good money.
Okay, get good money. Yeah, get good money.
If you have your own company, that.
I will let you go for the school of it. Yeah. You see how? My daughter said they get big money for it. Now, so now this guy now you go open company for Nigeria.
If you open companies,
Yeah.
a small one,
You will get your own company.
you have your own company.
Yeah. Only one room when you go to. Do you know how much?
You know how much they are.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Only come fix ordinary carpet for house. A room is almost 400 euro. Talk like say tiles. It's working. Say about it.
congratulations.
If you come on for them, but no go show. Why do you always off my light? This here is not your room. Yeah, Titi they work. Yeah. Wait till you wait. If they find woman where you want buy land for her, who want carry as a shentro? You put trouser prick not dey waist. You think say now to come they talk na be shentro. Women when they spend money for man, they know wetin that they spend money for.
New way Friday, my boss said, "You kiss me when I win up, and I will can you break it 10 o'clock. You can do at least 50. You can do funny 15 in case you have 4. You have 50 here now. Then you cannot disturb better.
Okay, you want my daughter to talk?
Yeah.
She's gone now.
You may be. Well, we're going to we are winning. I see when I win, I'm ever going
to they work.
Not by do.
If they shout that they say, social media president say you want to go arrest your mama. Social media president not they arrest your mother. Why are you shouting? I can't hear say they shout, go. If you reach there, if you arrest mama, if you arrest my because they fear, no one make social media president come disgrace her. But social media president, you know if he arrest your mama. No. So social media president, no. If social media president arrest your mama, even myself, I not go like her. Because I will say you put your mama for good place. Social media, you know social media. Now social media, I can't boom you. You know they know whether the head goes scatter don't do something. They buy the Murphy. You can't shout. Hey, what the social media president say you want to go arrest your mama? Oh, I said social media president not go arrest your mama. Very useless man. She's too dey local. The man too local. At this time, see what the man they wear. at this time. Look at what you are wearing. Zara. How many of your men they wear Zara? Zara now for young children. If you can't wear them, if I the month you say the cloth will come check for you with this thing. But you go come open down because now oversize. Oversize. Oh.
Euro. O do toge ni.
Very local. Too local. Where wale me a Bini man when you want to they speak Bini. The way no can have don't go they romantic. This one all too local. Oh local be. This if it does speak Bini, I'll do this. Oh what? See one Bini man for yeah, my friend. Oh azedo. Aye, on your leg a selling. Oh well, yes, son. Iwe ipa la yo bala always say aye. Oh, you know, I'm gonna say oh yes, I say I wish when there. This one get be no man say. Oh yes, I wish when there. I say la ro we ebo we lo ni me ya. Oh, you know. I say come go. You say ebo we lo ni me ya. If I carry that one reach where they sell meat, I will tell them say pin oh yes oh we ye bom when say la I gbe pin oh wa mu yo kan na bini ma as do you ought to say na America na they for teach how to speak Bini they bona waya gbunu ye do he on as do de so ye nya shit they worry me see the Bini guy oh say we ye na I say we must say be oh how no wow we must say be I say I better come on your hand you bofia we must say be ona yate yata mine daughter yata mine mugu mugu Benjamin say mugu
O do toge ni.
That Benin, oh, I want speak for my body. You know that Benin language where they speak, not they treat me at all. This something they make me they be like say, you say that I say, oh so yes I'll say oh take away I say I did where over I say yeah okay you see that shop where they sell building material I say yeah. You go come with and go building material. If they from Europe, they buy things for building material, they carry, they go Nigeria. On a daughter in a time. I will say you go let me do one day now for tell the Bini guy. I tell him say, oh yeah, a day house Oyoba a day. Oh where I? When need them I'll say, I don't need they come. Oh, when they can work now with shopping, all Africa shop work out where at the other work out. He go come. Me with our country store, you go come go the big this for you where they sell beauty material. Oh, dele go put on for a car. They shift and they go house. On an hour our webu. On a wow. If it comes sometimes, you know, say most of all those supermarkets when they city, you know, say sometimes they're not the quick see something for there. You know, say inside where we did, so all those foreign, you know, say supermarket when they things they always full on. You go come, you say if they come supermarket when they this side, though, like there, you know, Aldi, you know, you say they come this side, you go chata, tea tomatoes, Maggi, even to the extent. And this is where they take the wash plate, soap. You go chatter soap. Oh, wallow there, oh, move, then we can move. I say, we don't do. You go say, move. I go see carry, you go see pay put. You go come load all of them for container, go carry go house. But see, they see people where get money. Now this poverty sticking person. Now what poor man. Poor one. Oh, that, you know, that Benima will say, oh, maybe you juego, it me zua. Oh, wait, Bania, you juego, waiting on zua. Oh, waiting on zua. Where am you one over here, le. Huh? You get one word when you tell me yes, bye. You say money when they spend for a woman, not be investment. He said that thing day he had can't reach today. If we talk, you say, oh, yes, I'll say, so you say, you gonna say, you investments. Oh, na, Zana. Oh, you got total. What you ashamed of yourself? You where? Why you got total? Ni oh, will big time.
Do to any ugwa for the same, but oh,
where am ya conoro nu? You see the teeth when they mouth. A macon, where could nu ya? Oh, I'll go find one picture. I'll say teeth all of them. Man, this fucking man, this one too. You see, it did chest like far when they remove feather. Oh, but hold on, I want no again. Do chest like far when they remove the feather. Oh, you don't they old. Do not see the old age for his shoulder. See, you don't they old. See, look now, look. Or what old do you say? Now don't see his shoulder. Now see his shoulder. His shoulder don't they drop. His shoulder no go he drop. See, his shoulder don't they drop. Oh, see singlet when you wear. No see be better singlet. Singlet now we pack it in Nigeria. It's gonna be better singlet. Now this singlet now you know they Europe. Yeah, in Nigeria now we pack it. Yeah, they will carry out John the Nitan. They carry out the con Europe. Me a polu we. Me polo on the social media now. On also, where you dig a mambo yere? Where you dig a where party lovely? I will wake you up for your number. It can't birthday. If man don't fall like this. Now, so you can't get chest like foul. Not so if you come on feather for foul. If you go foul like this, now so it can't be. If belly don't drop, go down. I quite desoto. Very ugly nigga. Very ugly. Where am you? Or you be when? Oh.
you get a yahoo, you many every yatema. Now, where do take no kind of ito antie don prince to boy I explain my don prince where we paga pa me we figure am we wula madam what kind of wuni ya explain my don prince we don prince do time live video.
Your mate they bring something come out. Your mate go say look wow this is my new building. Your mate will carry another one come on wow this is my new building t-shirt 15 € t-shirt a t-shirt here na iragbe with Zara, okay, 25 €. Oh, whoa. Since when this woman throw away you become a total useless man. Become useless. Everything when they body na fake. See cap when you wear, Igbo made cap. See Igbo made cap. Or whatever boy, because they wear Igbo made. Hey, me wey be woman self, I dey wear this thing. I know my makana. Mike. Now they wear. See our honorable cap when small children, 15 years they wear for Nigeria. Now they from Nigeria, bring can't give this man. Yeah. Now you can't
tell they say ito talk what happened to this shirt. E no kind of who can. And
this shirt now we going to show now. If you go out now, this shirt now you go see where go out to. Oh my God. Oh, now this shirt now you go see where go out. Cause you don't dress finish now you want go out. Now that shirt now you want wear now go out. When you content they do live video so to see how useless when you did. The cloth when you carry come and not be D&G logo go there. You know say. If you wear D&G, the logo, you go they reflect to you say, now D&G be this. You must see the logo. If you wear this in all those ninets of D&G, you go they see the logo inside. You go they reflect to you say, now D&G. If you wear Moschino, you go they reflect to you, Moschino go there inside. If you see the back, if you offer, if you put the cloth, you go see the pleat of Moschino. This one, okay, no No war here. Because they send message to me. Because they tell you say, lovely, this one when I put for neck. You get her? What did this say my neck? This say na shower. Everything when they put for my neck na gold. Pure one. I can't live now. Eh? A poor stinking man. So fucking poor. The man like a man, oh, you go just, they even make any attempt to even reach self. Make attempt to reach. No. Eh? They say somebody break poverty. I got that say break poverty come on for his life, for his family. This man, no. See what my daughter told just now. He said the thing when you do now. I say when your children grow up now, your children go, your son go think say is a normal. Your son will think say is a normal, and it's right. Wait till my Pikin talk, yes. Your son will think is normal. By the time you know now, that son will grow up now. Cause they find you will come go stay for woman house, become a lazy ass. Nothing now when you put that Pikin. Very useless man. You too useless. Very useless. I dislike men that don't bring something to the table. You are not bringing something to the table. What am I going to do with you? Jojo. Now you go shit. You go use water to flush toilet. You go on light. You go on gas. You go use microwave. You go on... For how many? 356 days when they see for a year. This man go bath. You know they pay light bill. Women now they try. Oh, this man no fit. It has a boa. This man, you not fit buy this one. You not get money when you go to buy this one because it's not working. You not get money when you want to buy this one. Only go not a red door now. This one I think now €1, almost €2. Now this one be now be how much it be. You not get money when you want to buy this one. If you want to buy this one, na the woman. If you want to buy water, na the woman. If you want to buy cream when they take the rub, na the woman. Shampoo when they take the bath, na the woman. No. I not fit. I not fit. And that's about. And no, nothing when you know the woman. If you see the woman, well, madam, you not gonna feel make her forget. You not feel make her. The man when you marry not feel make you make her. The woman not feel make her. How the woman want to make her? The man when he marry not feel help her make her. Just stay like that. The woman come out sometimes waiting the papu for body AliExpress. A old school go they wear AliExpress. As I did now, go put AliExpress gold for my body. Are they crazy? Are they crazy? The small earring when I they use. Small earring when I they use. Now 500 and something euro. This the smallest one. That one when I they put for my ear. 500 and something euro. Now they buy it. Gold earring 500 as a small riso. They will come pack a ziggy koro for body. Very old school when they go. I don't know. How can you just carry a map? You will be old school. You will don't take for Europe. Carry liability map for house. I think what help you they do. You already shop now. Cloth go dey shop. You know see money to buy. As I did now, if I come out now say this cloth enter my eye, I will reach there. Pay come out for there. I don't save the money. Say I want you to take feed man. Can't save money. One can't take feed man. They crazy. I love to buy things. Even if I know they can't use and take the dress for social media, they use and take the dress go outside. I do not expect me now as I wear this one now. If I want to go out now, this one I want to wear go out. No. Because they show me gold. Me will be gold. That day, lovely. You see this gold? They crazy. I don't call they flush my property. I don't call they say, man, I can't see my property, yo. When I can't see my property, yo. When I can't see my property, yo. My lowest, my God, where you come, low pass for this thing. Make I bring and come out. May I bring am? 890 euro. You dey here. Did you see dey here? You dey crazy. You dey mad. You dey mates. Two mates here. Eh? Two mates here. This will be your mates. You to my beer cook. No fear. No fear. But no fear. Now you see this good. You see this good when they see so. On actually good. I don't even mushami. You see the good when they see so. They mad. See ya. You got to show me. You got to show me Jagba Jastic. See the receipt for you. You see the receipt for you. If you feel see ya. See ya. You see ya. My 2 times now pay. Wait, me I can't show you bagger. And they come. My phone don't weak. Me I can't deliver now. If I show you that one, I can't see carry big one. I can't show you. Carry big Eric can't show you. They craze. Come like say. Now me with the one come they run. Jagba Jastic. Nama. Jagba Jastic. They crazy. This are they wear. Ngongoro. See on. Ayote see on for year. Wait. Wait till they block you now. Something they block her. Because I sit down for social media, they do where I'm safe. Camera not let me zoom put. You see, I want to zoom the camera put. Wait, make I carry and go outside. Abby. You see, wait. You see, Did you see it? When you come they fool yourself. Did you see Now 2 times now calor 2 times. Now calor. Avala gbe. Now me you dey. Now me they show good. Because they tell me say, lovely, you get this one, you dey man. These are the wear Napoli good. This is Napoli good now they wear. You see the good? You see the gold. Did you see the gold? Wow, zan. Nonsense. Useless man. Useless man when no way. Man, any gold. Now me be gold. The original one. Not be fake. Not be fake. Not be fake. You dey crazy. Now the one when I put for outside so. Now they show so. The one when I put for outside. Lovely. But I mean, Mama, one official land. Because I say, because they show me Jagba Jastic. Nonsense. Don't show me nonsense. See ya. See ya, this goat, this one. May I show you? 600. Now take back this one, 600. Now 2 times, now still take that one. The month. You don't know your mate. You don't know your fucking mate. You think I'm your fucking nigga. You think it's an AliExpress now they wear. Where AliExpress you may use. This one now with diamond. This is with diamond. 2 times. Or now 2 times I cotton. 2 times. See I show you. Bava me here. Bava me here. You see, you see this one. Did you see this? Bava me here. See, I dey cut am 2 times. Yeah. I put 200 euro down. You see, I cut am 2 times. Put 200 euro down. Then put 400 euro down again. See, 600. Now they now be this good when they 6 for yes. So this one 600. You see, now 2 times now I pay. Because if I do, I'll tell them say make they give me the receipt. The first time when I first pay. Now this one when I first pay 200 euro. See. Then you see the remaining one, the crease. I be your mate. I be your mate. Because they shout. You don't feel chesty to a Douglas. The Douglas they call you see the goat, see now we diamond, you see the man, see now this thing, elephants, you see and they get receipt for my property, you see me receipt property no say where ho abon ho na wait where the big earring went dey. I show you the big earring. I want go use and go take carry necklace. Because I did. And if I don't use and take carry necklace, I will use and take carry. What do you call it? Come dish. That's a lovely. You get this one. You demand. Now me you want show Jagbadastic? Now me you want show Jagbadastic? See you see See this one I earring so for gold. Now you know how much I take buy this earring for gold. I want carry and go use and take carry necklace. See this one receipt now. I will bring a come. See this one receipt. I'll bring a come for where it is. They mad. They come they say lovely. Can yeah, lovely. Yeah, lovely. Because they talk. They show rubbish. They show rubbish to me. I been at the big one, another one, the big one. See, I want to carry this earring now. See, you know they make me coco. You know they make me coco. See, I want to carry and go put necklace for my neck. And I use and take carry earring, small earring. If you read there now. If I said this one, I go, can I smell your ring? I go even give me self. Nonsense. Because they call me, you call on me, you demand, you zuzu. I mean, you want they follow, they do that open yash, chukunyash. You get money. You get money. You know where? That 900 when I take buy this gold, you know how much it be for Nigeria? You dey crazy, stupid, useless man. Man, we don't get shame. Shameless, useless man. Where are you good? This is another umgogoro one that they wear. I know they wear umgogoro. See the way when you take on. Now different place now for buying. See this one. See this one. Now different places. See. Different places. Now they buy my gold. You know how many small gold I get for here? The craze. See the bag of my container of my gold. See. I command some go keep am for inside house. No say chief enter your house now. You go go carry your gold. I leave the DC for here. Don't they call me? They month because I come social media. I come they laugh. I mean to now they wear shower. I don't be pass shower. You fit chest me. Yes, how many years ago thief carry my gold? I can't see they buy. You know how much gold thief carry? You know how much gold? I have rollers, gold rollers, thief carrying. I continue to buy, I not run follow thief. Come here, come they say love me. You they crazy. You that who they send message for? I want bear. Very useless man when no get sense. Oh your mate, they are busy working. You're on social media, they call it Tohan Douglas. Tohan Douglas now your mate. Since when Tohan Douglas leave you now? You know they cry. Tohan Douglas leave you, man, you they cry, they go. See the second one when they my neck. See You see You see the second one when they my neck. You know how much this one be? You go, just enter go shop. You know how much it be? Wazaha. Only this long one when follow on. You know how much it be? This one when they my neck so. You know how much? Okay, they say the message to love me. It is a bibini women when you the message to the craze. Come they show me say, see, you get good. That Napoli, fucking Napoli something when they can't give you. And they call my name for. Come they call my name. Lovely, you get this good. I look and say, see, Napoli gold. You can't reach Nigeria. Niente, money not day. Napoli gold. Eh? You see, this will be your mate. See, this will be your wife when they wear cheap article. See my bag. See, you see the bag? Eh? Michael, you see, the us blood. Now us blood. Now this bag be you the Chris. I get something for this bag. I get sweet. You see my sweets? You see my sweets? I get sweet inside my bag. I three children finish. Now me can't they chop sweet. Huh? Hey, babe. Nothing. They don't collect paper for your hand. You go there talk to people with better person. Huh? You see mine? You see passport? You know where? You went fail for Europe. Failure. You come Europe, you fail. You know the shame. You will fit buy this bag for me. You know how much this bag be? This bag when they see for you, so 600 euros. You will fit buy am. Every. I mean, may I show you how they pack my perfume put? My people, may I come to live now. We don't go to finish. May I go back.